back to my channel. So in today's video we are finally doing some structure. We're gonna be learning baby boomer, but this time we are gonna do it in color. So you asked me in my baby boomer video to do a little bit more with baby boomer, so that's what we are gonna be doing today. Please don't forget to subscribe for the support, and don't forget to like the video as well. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay guys, so we will start with the preparation of the natural nail. As you can see, we don't have any product on the nails, so now it's gonna be time to make them shorter, because you can see we have a little bit of a free edge and it's not even. So before I do anything, I will start to shape the free edge. I'm gonna be using my 180 grit file, which is soft file. Make sure that whatever you do on the natural nails, you do with the soft file. If you are not sure, always ask in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer if you have any question regarding the nail file. Okay, now I will just turn my table, and the sound that you are maybe gonna hear is just my table. So okay, let's start with the cuticles. So I will use my big cylinder bit and I will start to remove whatever is on the nail plate. So from one corner to another, gentle. Now I will switch the bit, and I will use small titanium bit to go a little bit under the cuticle, but I'm not gonna push it, so just here to clean any sticky skin left. And let's start with the preparation of the natural nail. Okay guys, I will use now my dehydrator, which is called Spray Prep, and I will spray it on all nails. Okay guys, now I will use my acid-free primer, and I will apply it thinly on all of the nails. Okay, so this primer is acid-free and it's sticky, so we have to be careful that our client is not touching anything in between. And now it's time for our base gel, and very, very thin. Don't apply too much, and make sure that it doesn't go onto the skin. And we are ready to put this in a lamp for the full curing time. Okay, so I have my nail form. I will now measure the nail form to see if I need to cut it to adjust to the natural nail shape, and I will apply it according to the shape that we are gonna be doing. Now I will cut the nail form. A bit more here. And And now let's apply it. Okay guys, now I will show you how I do baby boomer in color. This is just my technique. There is a lot of different techniques where you can do it with the sponges, with the brushes, but I will show you my way. I like to always do it with gel. So now I'm gonna be using, this is polygel, and now I will just squeeze a little bit of my polygel in transparent color. Just a bigger bowl. Okay, and I will use my royal gel color in neon yellow, and I will scoop out a little bit of that color. Okay, and now I will mix it with that clear. This product is so polygel is sticky, of course, so it's better to mix it with spatula, but if you don't have it, then use the cuticle pusher. I have it, but at the moment I'm not sure where I left it, so just mix it with this. Okay, I will grab this part and I will apply it onto my nail form here. Okay, and now, as usual, get my cleanser, my brush, dip my brush into the cleanser and start to spread my bowl. Okay, so one side, another side. So make sure that because in between the takes we were just trying to adjust the camera, and then the form moved a little bit, which was my mistake that I didn't check before I started to film. So now I have to push the form constantly under. Okay, so this is the first layer, and I will pop this in a lamp for the 10 seconds, pinch it, and then full curing time. Okay, make sure that the product is not too cured, but it's not soft either. Okay, and I will place my tool here. Okay, and let's go back. Just took a little bit more of the clear to mix for the second layer. Now I will just move the pinching tool. Okay, and also focus. Okay, and I will remove the nail form. Okay guys, put the second layer. So second bowl. So thinner at the middle, thicker at the free edge. Okay, just like that, and we pop it back in a lamp. While you are, so when you work on a client, usually you have to then do well, if you work with polygel, you can do 5 fingers and then put one hand in a lamp and then work on the other. In the video I will show you how to do one, and then we will just fast forward the full process of the others. So later you will see the full hand, the finished result. But yeah, if you ran out of your mix in the meantime, now you can start to mix again for the next nail. I will start to apply the Cover Pink color. I will use Milky Pink color. Yeah, this one. Milky Pink. And I will apply it here. Okay, dipping my brush into gel. And now we will start to build correct structure, aka apex, and stretch the product down around the cuticle, very thin. Okay, and then lightly pull on the yellow. But before we go to lamp, I will just go a little bit with my wooden stick around the cuticle, just to make sure that I didn't touch the skin there. So I went super close, so just want to go lightly around to make sure you don't get any gel on the skin. Okay, now we are ready to put this in a lamp. Full curing time. Okay guys, so now it's just time for the top coat. Make sure you apply it very nice and tidy, don't go on the skin. I'm using Cool Top, and this one is not sticky. Now it's time for the cuticle oil, and make sure if it's a top coat that it's not sticky, you just go around the cuticle, not on the actual top coat. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We did fun baby boomer. Well, I call this ombre, I don't call this baby boomer. For me, baby boomer usually is milky white and milky pink blend, but a lot of people refer to this technique as baby boomer, so you can call it whatever, but it's super fun to do. I hope if you recreate this, you tag me. You can send me, I would love to see it, and don't forget to like and subscribe to make my day better and just to keep this channel going, and I will see you in my next video.